Hey, what's up, guys? Jason at KiloWattRC. I am complete with this crazy build. This is a custom KiloWattRC discharger. This customer got every option possible with this build. It's an 800-watt discharger. You have 4-piece 200-watt 4-ohm resistors in parallel on this build. In here, they are connected by copper bus bars. And we have a thermal paste in between the heat sink and the resistors, and you have two cooling fans, blowing on that heat sink, which is two 90 by 90 millimeter fans on that end, and then you have two 90 by 90 fans up top. Now this is an option, the fans on top. The regular discharger, I guess with no extra options, you get this heat sink with you can get different configuration fans at the bottom or whatever. But just this section here with the fans and some stands is like the basic. This guy got the whole enclosure with a meter to measure the current, the watt hour usage. He also got fan regulator to measure the I guess to regulate the output of the fans. So this thing has all the bells and whistles. You also have there's also a 7-amp fuse that I have in here that's replaceable for this in case something would happen to your actual I believe your charger. Something will happen to your charger and your charger shorts out. The first thing it's gonna want to do is it's gonna want to blow this. So I have a 7-amp fuse in here to protect that. Now this thing is fine, because this is 100-amp protected. So you could blow that fuse, but if you do, whatever, everything is pretty much replaceable, whatever breaks. But this thing is legit. You got your fan grills. This person got the 6061 alloy versus the carbon fiber. Now this 6061 has a clear coat finish over it to stop it from oxidizing. Even the inside is oxidized. Now where this heatsink meets the side skirts, it's actually bare at that part. So there's like a little strip where it's non-finished. That way you have perfect contact with this heat sink and the two side skirts. Now I'm using really high, what would you call it, temperature coefficient thermal pads underneath. I can't remember the actual specs on it, but it's a very high coefficient as far as transfer and temp. Everything is done real nice on this, man. From the hardware, stainless steel hardware. You got the aluminum, I guess, countersink buttons everywhere. You even got the rubber stops underneath, so you don't scratch your table or whatever, and it stays put. This thing is solid built, hand built by KiloWattRC himself. Yeah, some parts I bought. Pretty much everything. Pretty much bought, but I put it together, cut your copper, drilled and tapped the heat sink, got everything to where it needs to be, all the wiring inside, everything's done nice and neatly and tucked. So let's go ahead and do some discharging. Now we have two KiloWattRC overkill 10.4 packs in parallel. We're gonna discharge it down to 3.3 volts and KiloWattRC packs in parallel. So now we're booted up here. So your fans are cranking. So going into the discharger, got about 23 amps, okay? 21.7 volts, 510 watt, okay? Now, going into the regulator for the fans, you got 21.6 volts. Coming out, you got 20.3 on the low, 7 amps. So look, the voltage output and current output, it is adjustable, so you can actually lower it. But honestly, just leave it where it's at. Don't mess with it. It's fine. You can even turn the fans off, which isn't recommended. Don't turn them off, let the fans stay on. let that run. Yeah, I mean, it's just so many protections with this thing. And you got your replaceable 7-amp fuse down here. You also have a separate regulator in here, and that regulator is what is used for this meter to run. Now the meter does test the actual load circuit, but it uses a separate 12 volts, which is a regulator under here, which is replaceable to power this. I mean, this thing is just, come on, man. I mean, everything's just nice the way this thing works. This is a legit discharge. You can't get it done nowhere else. And I felt like I should have I had to start doing stuff like this because I just don't want to be like other people. You know, I don't like, you know, people are commenting, you know, coming to me, telling me what someone else is doing, saying that they think they're copying me and stuff like that. I mean, it is what it is. If people want to copy me and do, I mean, it's all good. I'm just still going to push and try other things. And this is something that's very important, a good discharger for your batteries. Maintaining your batteries is very, very important. It's very overlooked. Now, if you guys followed me over the years, I push my stuff crazy. I have all the batteries in the world you can think of. I mean, I got cases and cases of my personal batteries. So I was able to come up with my personalized batteries that I sell to the public, you know, based on my experience for over the years. And so that's why the numbers you see on the packs, they are pretty much based off how I have personally tested. I didn't just put any janky specs on the packs or nothing like that. I put a respectable number based on my tests. Yes, the packs I sell, you can push them harder, but I like to underrate it a little bit because I just don't care for all the hype. You know what I mean? So I feel like doing something like this, you know, I've sold several of these, but this is the first one with all the options. This customer's been real patient with me. He said, please just take your time, man. So yeah, I'm looking forward to doing a lot more of these, man. It's just cool just to see my product out there and to be able to contribute to the community and answer any questions. But I mean, this is just amazing, man. I mean, like, come on, man. Just look at this. You got 4 90 by 90 24 volt fans. One's cooling the heat sink that the resistors are transferring the heat to, and then you got another one up here blowing down on the resistors and cooling down, you know, the outside casing, which is so cool, man. Like, this is just amazing. So thank you guys, you know, for tuning in. I'm sorry I've been gone for a while, man. I just been working, being really close to my family, doing a lot of background with the KiloWattRC brand. And yeah, I still do RC. I haven't done RC in a while, but I still have builds, and I will be doing videos again. It's just I've been taking a break. You know, why not? You know, so we're gonna be coming back a lot harder this year with some more things. I've been teasing with some new stuff, new batteries and stuff like that. They're coming, guys. Just bear with me. It's a lot of work to try to bring a new battery into this market. I mean, it's not like I'm just grabbing a battery that is already designed and made and just rewrapping it. No, I'm actually trying to make my own batteries based on how I feel is best, testing them out. I mean, and it's not easy. It takes a lot of time away from my family and in my personal time, so just bear with me. But man, I'm really happy with the outcome of this. I mean, you can't get a discharger like this nowhere. Oh, that KiloWattRC. You guys take it easy. Stay tuned in. Comment, share, send me an email, whatever, man. Y'all take it easy. Happy 2026. I hope everything's good with everyone in their family. Y'all take it easy and peace.